How to get protection 255 armor set in Minecraft. So first, make sure that your command is turned on. To do that, just simply click on escape, click on open to LAN, make sure that allow commands is turned on, then just simply click on start LAN world. Now once you have that turned on, just go to the description of this video to get the command that you will need to get the armor set. Now just simply click on letter T. Then what you want to do now is just simply paste the command that you've copied on the description. And as you can see, this will give you a netherite helmet, and just simply click on enter. Now to get the other stuff, just paste the code again and just replace this with anything that you want. So let's say a netherite leggings. Then just click on enter again, and you just simply need to repeat the process till get all of the armor set. There's the last one, just the boots. Now I have now all of the set. Now what you want to do now is go to your inventory, then just simply replace it with your armor right here, just like that. And now we have our level 255 armor set in Minecraft.